Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to add work email to iPhone. First of all, open your settings, search here, mail, and tap on mail, tap on accounts, tap on add account, tap on Microsoft Exchange, enter here your work email address, tap on next, tap on configure manually, and enter here your email address password, tap on next, and give here your server details, domain, username. So give here your server and give domain, give here your username and tap on next and follow next steps. That's how you'll be able to add your work email to iPhone. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.